Happy New Year, everybody. This is Myung. Hope you all made your New Year's resolution and hope all goes well. One of the most top ranking of New Year's resolution is eat healthily. So that sounds very good. Today I'm going to show you how to make kombucha. Kombucha is a healthy drink made by fermenting tea, sugar and scoby, which is the kombucha culture. If you are concerned that it is made with sugar, then you don't need to be, because the sugar consumed by the culture leaving you with a delicious, fizzy and tart drink. It tastes like something between champagne and apple cider, depending on what kind of tea you use. Kombucha has a powerful probiotic, which is actually probiotic yeast called Saccharomyces boulardii. It has a polyphenols, glucuronic acid, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, which is lots of vegans lack of vitamin B12. Kombucha contains loads of vitamin B12. It has also acetic acid and amino acids. So kombucha is a powerful stuff for our gut health. Okay, let's start. This is already done kombucha, so I'm going to show you how to bottle them and then make a new kombucha today. Yeah? What I usually do is take this scoby out first. Apparently they don't like metal, so you use the wooden spoon or wooden tongue or something like that. So I've got here chopsticks, so I will take this out. See? This is a scoby. This is a newly made one. I've got old one down there. So I've got here two scobies. One is old one. When I make last time, I put this one. But this is when they are fermenting, they make a new scoby. This is a new one. So the color is a bit clearer than old one. Yeah. So open this. I just put this just in case any flies go in there, because it's a sweet. It tends to be hold of these flies. So the scoby doesn't like metal, but this is okay because I'm going to bottle them. They are living cultures, so they are still growing. So you will get another scoby or in the bottle, but it's not going to be grow that fast. Yeah. You can put in the bottle first, but I tend to use this way so you can sieve them a little bit. So now put in the bottle. You can do second fermenting. You put like apple juice or mango juice. I put sometimes ginger, but its own. It tastes very good, so I don't need any extra juice in it. And then, so this is one bottle is done. So last bit, a little bit left, but it will be difficult to take it out, so I will basically pour it like this. This is made from jasmine tea. I prefer jasmine tea than English breakfast tea, because the aroma is so good. And the lapsang souchong tastes very good too. The very smoky flavor. So if you have a lapsang souchong, you can do that. I usually taste in the beginning, but I forgot today, so I will do now. Tastes yummy. Slightly sweet and fizzy, and this the jasmine tea flavor in it, so it is lovely, and this is very healthy. Vegans tend to lack of vitamin B12, but this has lots of vitamin B12, so vegans should drink this kombucha. When you make a second batch, you need some kombucha, so it will help to ferment better. What I'm going to do is pour this into the this little container and then quickly rinse this jar, big jar. Okay, so I will quick rinse this. So I will lock this again here. So now it's all rinsed and be clean, but I don't need any soapy water. Just quick swirl with the filtered water. I will add this kombucha in now and with the scoby, and when I make a tea with the sugar and then cool it down, and then I will pour it into the jar again. So and then we can fermenting for a while, then that becomes kombucha again. So I will pour this into the jar again. And now I'm adding the new scoby. I will cover like this until tea is ready. Okay, let's make tea. When water is start to boil, I will add jasmine tea and then brew for 5 minutes. This is personal choice. If you want to make a strong tea, you can make strong tea. If not, then light tea. Well, usually I do 10 minutes, but it's up to you. And this add sugar, so dissolve it and cool it down completely. And then pour this tea into the jar and then ferment for 7 to 10 days. Depends on also your room temperature. Yeah, they like a warm temperature. So I usually put in the air-in cupboard. That's the best way to do in my place. So in the beginning, I just make lots of tea and then cool it down, but it took too long. And as you see, my jar is very big, so I can't make a tea at one go. So I make a strong tea and then add some filtered water and add it to the jar. So that works because my jar is so big. I don't have that big pot, so I do that way. Water is boiling. So water is boiled. I will brew now tea now. When you're using tea bags, it's about 10 tea bags will be fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5. So 10 teaspoons. I will brew this for 10 minutes. So tea has been brewed very well. I can smell this lovely jasmine aroma. So now I will add sugar. So this is about 150 gram sugar. You can use white sugar, but I use this demerara sugar. 2, 3 cups. As you know, I don't normally use sugar, but only I use sugar for kombucha because the sugar will be consumed by scoby. It's all dissolved, and I will add cold water. Adding water. It is a bit too hot, so it has to be about 22 to 25 degrees. If it's too hot, scoby will dead. So I will wait till this become warm. It's too hot now. I will pour this down and then finish off. So put the lid on, and you need this kind of cloth, or you can put the coffee filter. You can use that one. It's all done now, so it will take about 7 to 10 days to ferment. If you wanted to, you could do second fermentation with fresh juice, fresh fruit juice, or fresh ginger being added to the original mix. My favorite kombucha is jasmine tea, but my husband's favorite is lapsang souchong, which is also like a smoky flavor in it. It's really good. We recommend not to use Earl Grey tea because Earl Grey has bergamot oil in it, so oil will disturb this fermentation. Anyway, please make your own kombucha and enjoy the flavor as well as health benefit. Hope you like this recipe, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and Happy New Year again. Alright? Cheers. Happy New Year. Nice. Bye.